Hey guys, welcome back to the QST channel. Today I'll be explaining the 5.4 quiz. Today I'll only be doing the questions with disk method, not washer method, since that's the method that's included in this periodic. Okay, so let's start. The finite region R bounded by this curve 2 over x, the x-axis, and the lines x equals 1 and x equals 6 is rotated completely about the x-axis. The volume of the generated solid is k over 3 pi cubic units. What's the value of k? So first of all, I'll just draw the graph to visualize what they mean by these two things. So I don't know what the graph looks like. Let's say it just looks like this, and this is x equals 1 and x equals 6. This will be the area. So basically when they say x equals 1, x equals 6, it's just the boundaries. So you can immediately just put 1, 6. So whenever there's an x equals, that's just the boundaries. It's just another way of saying it. Okay, now let's write the disk method. The disk method is equal to, it's the volume is equal to the integral from a to b of pi f of x squared dx. So let's write that. It's going to be pi. We can actually just put it outside. So pi outside. F of x squared will be 2 over x, all of it squared, dx. Now you can immediately put this on the calculator, or you can solve it, which I'm gonna do now. So it's going to be pi. First of all, this is gonna simplify to 4 over x squared. So then it's going to be integral from 1 to 6 of 4 to the power 4x to the power of negative 2 dx. Now you just use the power rule or whatever it's called. So 4x power negative 1, you add 1 over negative 1, the power you got from 6 to 1. Okay, now this will be equal to negative 4 over x from 6 to 1. So that's going to be negative 4 over 6 minus negative 4 over 1, and that will add up to 10 over 3, which then you multiply by pi, so 10 over 3 pi. Okay, now this question, the region bounded by the curves f of x equals to 3x minus 2, the x-axis, and the lines x equals 1 and x equals 3 is rotated about the x-axis. What's the volume? So same thing, from 1 to 3 pi 1 to 3 of 3x minus 2 squared dx. You can use the substitution here, but I'm just gonna expand this since it's just to the power of 2. So when you expand, it's going to be 9x squared minus 12x plus 4 dx. Okay, equals to 9x squared will be 9x cubed over 3, and this will simplify to just 3x cubed minus 12x squared over 2, which is just going to be 6x squared plus 4x from 3 to 1. Now we can put this on the calculator. You're gonna get 38. Okay. Okay. The region R bounded by the curve y equals 5 f of x equals to x radical 3 minus x squared. The x-axis and the lines negative 1, 1 are rotated about the x-axis. The volume is what? Okay, so again disk method. So pi integral from negative 1 to 1 of x radical 3 minus x squared, all of it squared dx. Okay, what was I saying? Yes, I will. Now I'm gonna expand this, okay? I mean distribute the square. So pi from negative 1 to 1, this will be x squared times 3 minus x squared. All of it dx. Okay, now we distribute the x squared. It's going to be 3x squared minus x power 4. Now integrate. So it will be the integral of 3x squared is going to be 3x cubed over 3, which is just x cubed minus x power 5 over 5. Then from 1 to from negative 1 to 1. Okay. So now it's going to be pi 1 cubed minus 1 power 5 over 5, which is 1 minus 1 over 5, which is 4 over 5, minus 1 negative 1 cubed minus negative 1 power 5 over 5. So this is going to be negative 1 plus 1 over 5, which is negative 4 over 5. You add these up, it's going to be 8 pi over 5, which is the answer. Okay, now that's it for this week's periodic.